Dell. I take one now, modern day. Actually, how is spec? Okay. So Dell Technology Universal is E6000. I think you can find inside the internet. Display link. So it's a universal docking station, high resolution viewing. Okay, work with any laptop. USB-C, C or 3.0. Okay. So it's universal. Enjoy universal compatibility for a range of PC brand. High resolution viewing. This one I haven't finished. So actually I explain to you lah, connect to display, mouse, keyboard, audio device. So come to have connect up to 4K, 5K resolution single screen. Display technology is one of the technology that work faster with a single USB-C cable for audio and video, data and power. All convenient. So just need one cable only. For additional power adapter, keeping your workspace clean. So actually, it means that you need to have a what those power adapter. You just plug in this one, can power all the thing. Stay productive. So these are the technical specs. Choice of USB 3.0 Type A. I make it bigger. Video port to okay, so and so forth. 3.0. Power delivery 65 watt. Dell, non-Dell also can. Or so you buy other brand of notebook also can use. Right, connect cable. Come with convertible adapter to USB 1 meter. Extra cable. Kensington slot. Kensington slot is a security. We lock all the things. And see the other side what you have. Okay. Got technical specs. Feature technical specs. So got dimension. 6'8", 70, 30. 6.6 inch, half a feet. Half a feet. Quite big. Okay. This is quite light. 380. Equipped with PC. System requirement PC with 3.0. Display link driver installation. So you need to have a system required. USB 3.0, USB-C, port C. Windows operating system is Windows 7, 8, 10, 32, Ubuntu OS, Chrome OS. Chrome OS build. I'm not familiar with Chrome OS build. So this is the operating system, OS 14.0.2. Mac, pass-through MAC address. Support Dell Display Window, Display Manager. Can't remember what's it. But Dell. You purchase with a Dell notebook. This stock will share the system warranty. Purchase standalone. This is warranty. So what come with it? Dell Universal Dock T6000, USB-C A cable, USB-C, USB-A adapter attached to the 330-watt AC adapter. There are two cables. Oh, this is LED. So got speaker out, USB 3.0 Ethernet display port. Okay, this is a combo, audio combo. Audio port for speaker or for earphone. Yeah, recommended accessory. So Dell, so they advertise their own accessory, monitor or everything. Go down. Okay. Oh, nothing much. I try to get the operating manual that we know how it works. Okay. So go back to the thing again. So one from the web, okay, application also cover this one. Now the future of application, what will it be next session? I will talk about this on the next session because all this we can talk about the connector, different type of connector. Okay, there'll be talking about USB 4 and Thunderbolt 3. But what is it? So we'll try to get some notes from the web and present next one. Oh, okay. So anything?